Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes or no? Yes. In our last class, we have just finished the first chapter of our math book, that is real numbers. Right now, today we will start a new chapter, that is the second chapter of this book, that is polynomial. So let's start. So, students, in your previous classes, you just learn about different algebraic expressions and the operations on them. Right now, here we shall review these concepts and extend them to particular type of expression that is known as polynomials. Polynomial is a particular type of expression. Right now, so we shall come across two types of symbol in polynomial. We shall come across two types of symbols, namely constants and variable. So before going to start polynomial, first of all we have to know what are constants and what are variables. Right now, so let us know what are constants. First of all, we will discuss constant. So constant is a symbol having a fixed numerical value is called constant. तो कांस्टेंट मतलब क्या होता है? कांस्टेंट एक ऐसा सिंबल है जिसका एक फिक्स्ड न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यूज रहता है जो कभी चेंज नहीं होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, जैसे कि 9 का वैल्यू हमेशा 9 ही रहेगा, ये कभी चेंज नहीं हो सकता. -6, 4/7, √2, 5, these all are constant term because their value do not change. Right now, next is variable. Right now, so variables क्या होता है? A variable is a symbol. A variable is a symbol. A variable is a symbol which may be assigned different numerical values. So वेरिएबल एक ऐसा सिंबल है जिसका वैल्यू मे भी चेंज हो सकता है, डिफरेंट न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यूज हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, लुक एट हियर वेरिएबल. You know that the perimeter or circumference of a circle is given by 2 pi r. Here 2 is constant, pi is also constant. Here r is a variable, and the value of r, it can be changed according to the radius. If we take in place of r, then it will be a different numerical value, and if we take 5 in place of r, then it will be a different result. Right now, so the value of r can be changed place to place. So in this way we can define constants and variable. Right now, next, algebraic expression. Next we will discuss algebraic expression. So algebraic expression किसे कहते हैं? So algebraic expression क्या है? It is a combination of constants and variable. It is a combination of constants and variables where these are connected by sum or all of the operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, that is known as a algebraic expression. So algebraic expression means it is a combination of constants and variables. It is a combination of constants and variables which are connected by sum or all the operations plus minus multiplication and division. Right now, is known as an algebraic expression. So you know that the different examples of algebraic expressions will be x square minus 5x plus 9. Right now, 2y3 x plus 7. These all are algebraic expression. X fourth plus 2x square minus 10. This is also an algebraic expression. Next time we'll discuss about the terms of algebraic expression. तो एक algebraic expression का terms किसे कहते हैं? Terms of algebraic expression. Terms of algebraic expression. So what are the terms? So terms mean the several parts of an algebraic expression. Term means क्या होता है? The several parts of algebraic expression which are separated by addition and subtraction operation. Right now जो algebraic expressions का term किसे कहते हैं? The several parts of algebraic expression which are separated by plus and minus symbol. जो plus और minus symbol से separate होते हैं उसको एक एक terms बोल के हम लोग define कर सकते हैं. So we can define it as the several parts of an algebraic expression separated by plus और माइनस सिंबल. जो प्लस और माइनस सिंबल से सेपरेट होते हैं उसको एक टर्म बोल के हम लोग कह सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई राइट 5x square minus 9x plus 4, then here how many terms are there? There are 3 terms because in between the expression one is negative sign, another one is positive sign. So negative and positive sign, that is plus and minus sign, will separate the parts that are known as terms. So here 5x square is a term, minus 9x is a term and plus 4 is a term. Right now ये सब एक एक क्या है? टर्म है. नेक्स्ट पोलिनोमियल इन वन वेरिएबल. पोलिनोमियल मीन्स वन वेरिएबल. नेक्स्ट हम डिस्कस करेंगे पोलिनोमियल in one variable. Polynomial in one variable. It means if we discuss about a polynomial and which contain only one variable, and that is known as polynomial in one variable. For example, f of x is equal to 7x square minus 4x plus 3. Here only one variable is used here, that is x. We can say that it is a polynomial in x. Polynomial in x. Next, if I write p of y, that is 2y5 minus 3y cube plus 4y square minus 10. Here only one variable is used, that is y. So we can write polynomial in y. Right now, so in this way we can define polynomial in one variable. Next, a standard form of a polynomial. Next we will discuss standard form of a polynomial. Standard form of a polynomial. एक पोलिनोमियल के स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म हम किसे कह सकते हैं? स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म मीन्स इफ ए पोलिनोमियल इन x or in any variable is expressed either in ascending power of x or descending power of x, then it is said to be in standard form. For example, look at here, standard form of a polynomial means increasing order, that is ascending power of x or descending power of x. Descending power of x. It means, look at here. Here, if I write 5x square minus 9x plus 4, the power of x it is 2, then 1, then the power of x will be 0. Here it is descending form. First 2, then 1, then 0. If it is written in descending power or ascending power of x, then we can say that it is in the standard form. Right now, so polynomial में और क्या होना चाहिए? Another important thing is that the power of variable should be a whole number. Here it is very important. द पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल शुड बी अ होल नंबर। हमेशा क्या होना चाहिए, जो वेरिएबल यूज होता है उसका पावर हमेशा एक होल नंबर में होना चाहिए, होल नंबर में रिप्रेजेंट होना चाहिए। देन आफ्टर वी कैन से दैट इट इज अ पोलिनोमियल, अदरवाइज इट विल नॉट बी अ पोलिनोमियल। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I will show some examples which are not polynomial, but it seems like polynomial, but in reality they are not polynomials. Look at here, just see here it is written here x plus 1 by x. You see this seems like a polynomial but is not polynomial. Why? If I write it, that it will be x plus 1 by x can be written as x to the power minus 1. Look at here, here it is 1, and if we take it to the numerator parts, then it will be minus 1. So look at here, here the power of x is minus 1, which is not a whole number, it is an integer. So this is not a polynomial, not a polynomial. Right now again I will show another example, root x minus 3. Here also we can write it as x to the power 1 by 2 minus 3. Look at here, the power of variable, that is 1 by 2, which is not a whole number, it is a fraction, rational number right now. So it is also not a polynomial. Next, come to the third example, root cube y minus 6. We can write it as y to the power 1 by 3 minus 6. Here is also the power of variable, that is 1 by 3, which is not a whole number, it is a rational number, so it is not a polynomial. Again, if I write 1 by x plus 2, then it will be x plus 2 to the power minus 1. Here it is also not a polynomial. So look at here students, here it is very important to identify a polynomial in this way, that the power of variable should be a whole number. The power of variable should be a whole number. हमेशा वेरिएबल का पावर क्या रहना चाहिए, होल नंबर में रहना चाहिए. होल नंबर मीन्स 0 1 2 3 अप टू इन्फिनिटी, राइट नो. सो नेक्स्ट let us learn about a degree of a polynomial. Let us learn about a degree of a polynomial. डिग्री क्या होता है? डिग्री मीन्स द हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ एनी वेरिएबल, द हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ एनी वेरिएबल यूज इन अ पोलिनोमियल. तो एक पोलिनोमियल में जो भी वेरिएबल्स यूज हुआ है उसका हाईएस्ट पावर को क्या कहते हैं? डिग्री ऑफ ए पोलिनोमियल. फॉर एग्जांपल 2x square plus 5x minus 9. Here the variable is x and the highest power of x, that is 2. So we'll write the degree of this polynomial is 2. Degree is equal to 2 right now. Here 2 is known as the coefficient of x. X is the variable, and here this 2 is known as the power of x, that is highest power is called degree. Degree is 2. And again if I write another example, that is 5x cube minus 2x minus 11. Here the highest power of x, that is 3. So in this case the degree is 3 right now students. So students, polynomial can be categorized based on the degree. So how can we differentiate that? Types of polynomial based on degree. So the first type is linear polynomial. So linear polynomial कैसे कहते हैं students? Linear polynomial means a polynomial of degree 1. A polynomial whose degree is 1 is known as linear polynomial. Here is a polynomial of degree 1. जो भी पोलिनोमियल का डिग्री 1 होगा उसका हम क्या बोलेंगे? लीनियर पोलिनोमियल. एंड द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ ए लीनियर पोलिनोमियल इज ax plus b. Here the variable is x, the coefficient of x, that is a, and the constant term, that is b. Right now, so examples can be 5x plus 9. Here variable is x, coefficient of x, that is 5, and constant term, that is 9. Right now, 7y minus 11. Here also the variable is y, coefficient of y, that is 7, and the constant is 11. Right now, next type is quadratic polynomial. Second type is quadratic polynomial. सो स्टूडेंट्स क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल किसे कहेंगे? अ पोलिनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री 2, अ पोलिनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री 2, जो पोलिनोमियल का डिग्री कितना होगा? 2 होगा, उसको हम लोग क्या कह सकते हैं? इट इज अ क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल एंड द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ ए क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल इज ax square plus bx plus c. Here a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant term right now. So the example may be 5x square minus 7x plus 8. Here the coefficient of x square, that is 5, coefficient of x, that minus 7, and constant term is 8 right now. So here is the example of quadratic polynomial which the degree is 2, the highest power of any variable is 2 right now. So third type is cubic polynomial, and after listening the name cubic polynomial, you can say that cubic polynomial means a polynomial whose degree is 3, a polynomial of degree 3, a polynomial of degree 3. ऐसे पोलिनोमियल जिसका डिग्री अगर 3 होगा हम लोग इसको क्या कह सकते हैं? क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल बोल कह सकते हैं. तो इसका एक एग्जांपल कैसे हो सकता है? ए एक्स क्यूब प्लस बी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस सी एक्स प्लस डी. हियर ए इज द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स क्यूब, b is the coefficient of x square, c is the coefficient of x and d is the constant term right now. For example, 4x cube minus x square plus 6x plus 3 right now. Here 4 is the coefficient of x cube, minus 1 is the coefficient of x square, 6 is the coefficient of x and 3 is the constant term. So students, look at here. Here the highest power of variable is 3, so we can call it a cubic polynomial. In this way you can write different cubic polynomials. And the fourth type is quadric polynomial. क्वाड्रिक पोलिनोमियल, एंड क्वाड्रिक पोलिनोमियल मीन्स डिग्री जिसका कितना होगा? डिग्री 4. अ पोलिनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री 4, अ पोलिनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री 4 इज नोन एज क्वाड्रिक पोलिनोमियल. सो द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ क्वाड्रिक पोलिनोमियल विल बी ax fourth प्लस bx क्यूब प्लस cx स्क्वायर प्लस dx प्लस e is known as a quadric polynomial. Here the examples can be 5x fourth plus 3x cube minus 9x square plus 6x plus 2. Here it will be an example of quadratic polynomial right now. So students, here we can categorize the polynomials based upon the degree, Now we can categorize the polynomials based upon their number of terms, How can we categorize? So types of polynomial, here types of polynomial based on number of terms right now. So number of term के हिसाब से polynomial को हम कैसे कैटेगराइज कर सकते हैं? तो first one is monomial. You know mono means one and mial means term. Mono means one and mial means term. So a polynomial having one term or a polynomial containing one term is known as a monomial right now. A polynomial having one term, जो भी polynomial का only एक term होगा उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? मोनोमियल बोल सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 9 minus 14, 6x minus 8x cube, all these are examples of monomial right now. Next, binomial. You know students, bi means two and again mial means term. A polynomial having two term, a polynomial containing two non-zero terms, polynomial having टू टर्म्स. जिस पोलिनोमियल का दो ठो टर्म होगा उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? बाइनोमियल, और दोनों नॉन जीरो टर्म होना चाहिए. जैसे कि 9x प्लस 4 हम लिख सकते हैं x माइनस 3x स्क्वायर, x प्लस 8x क्यूब. ऑल दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ बाइनोमियल. इन ऑल द केसेस देयर नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स इज इक्वल टू 2. एंड द थर्ड टाइप इज ट्राइनोमियल. ट्राइनोमियल मीन्स नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स इज इक्वल टू 3. अगर एक पोलिनोमियल में टोटल 3 ठो टर्म होगा देन वी कैन कॉल इट अ ट्राइनोमियल. जैसे कि For example, x square plus 2x minus 3. Here the number of terms is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. So we can call it a trinomial. For example, 2x cube plus 5x square plus 4. The number of terms is equal to 4. So we can call it a trinomial. In this way, we can categorize polynomial based on the number of terms. Right now, next let us discuss constant polynomial. The fourth type of polynomial, that is constant polynomial. It is another type. constant polynomial. So constant polynomial किसे कहते हैं students? Constant polynomial means a polynomial containing one term and consisting of a non-zero constant is called constant polynomial. So constant polynomial में क्या होता है? और नॉन जीरो कांस्टेंट रहता है सिर्फ, जिसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, कांस्टेंट पोलिनोमियल बोलते कहते हैं, और ओनली वन टर्म रहता है. इन जनरल एवरी नॉन जीरो रियल नंबर, जितने सारे भी नॉन जीरो रियल नंबर्स हैं, इज ए कांस्टेंट पोलिनोमियल. एवरी नॉन जीरो रियल नंबर, जितने सारे नॉन जीरो रियल नंबर्स हैं, दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ कांस्टेंट पोलिनोमियल. एंड द डिग्री ऑफ कांस्टेंट पोलिनोमियल इज जीरो. द डिग्री ऑफ कांस्टेंट पोलिनोमियल इज जीरो. जैसे कि 6 minus 8, 9 by 14, minus 7 by 12. All these are the examples of constant polynomial and their degree is 0. We can write it as 6. We can write 6 as 6 into x to the power 0. You know that any variable with power 0 is equal to 1. So we can write the constant polynomial as 6 into x to the power 0, which means the highest power of variable, that is 0. So it is known as a zero polynomial. It is also known as zero polynomial. Zero polynomial means a polynomial consisting of one terms, namely 0, is called a zero polynomial. That is, the degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Next. So students, this is all about the types of polynomials, algebraic expression, constants, variable. So read this carefully. In our next class, we will discuss about the other things. Thank you.